Can I tell you a story? When I was in my early 20s, after youth ministry, I attended Feast Makati. In-invite ako ng friend ko doon because I was working in Makati. And the reason I went was very holy. Not just kidding. I went there because sabi ng friend ko, marami raw pwedeng maging girlfriend doon. Pwedeng may ligawan ka doon, may makikilala ka dyan. Siyempre, single ka, working, di ba? So yun, may doon kang maging potential girlfriend. So basically, umattend ako ng community, ng feast because maraming single girls. I'm sharing this because my intentions for ministry life was never pure. Yet God is patient. Was, is, and will always be patient to people like me, sinners. People with impure thoughts, impure motivations. In the same way, God is building you up. We're all under